In this video, I will show you how to see all saved bookmark or all bookmark websites on your Chrome browser. Let me show you how. Like for instance, when you open up your Chrome browser, let's say I click on this plus sign right here, and then you have been taken to the fresh page right here, and you want to have access to some of the previous bookmark you saved so far in your Chrome browser. So how do you have access back to them? Go ahead and click on these three dots from the top right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply click on bookmarks, just like so. Then you are here. Then you can scroll down right here and see some of the bookmarks from the sections right here. However, you can go ahead and click on here. Then you can sort them out by alphabet or by last open or by the oldest or by the newest. Let's say by the newest, you see some of the newly added bookmark right here. So if you go back right here again, you find out that more bookmarks is going to be shown right here. So you have another one right here, you have another one right here, you have another one right here. So you can start opening them one after the other. So here you have about 20 bookmarks right here. Then from here, you can easily have access back to your web page in this section. Like for instance, if I want to have access back to my Adobe Chrome, go ahead and click on it, and in a few seconds it's going to load and take me to the website that I've been bookmarked for a very long time on my phone right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Google Chrome browser on phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.